James and I are over at the barn this evening. We both worked today, got home around 6 o'clock, and now we are out here and we got a big load of topsoil delivered, and we are spreading it out over all the clay so we can plant grass seed so that it's not a muddy mess while we are building our barn this spring. Anyway, so look, he's got a bunch over here that I'm gonna spread out with the rake. And then here's our giant pile. He's taking scoops around and putting all around the outside of the barn. I'll show you. And then we're just gonna till it in, plant grass seed, and put straw on top. I'm gonna spread this all out now.
If you learn nothing from this video, just take away that building your own pole barn by working full time takes a lot of time and work. Here we are late at night on a work night with all 3 of our kids over at the barn working. And we do this a lot more than our footage actually shows because, of course, in our videos, it's 20 plus hours of work condensed into a 15-minute or less video. So just know that when you watch these videos, of course, it does look easy and it's something that we enjoy, but it's always a lot harder than it actually looks, and it takes a lot of time to do this stuff. But if you're willing to put the time and the effort in, you can save a lot of money and build amazing things and run an awesome homestead, even if you work full time. So that's it.
It's 7:15 and it's getting dark, but we're still working. Just got the seeding done. Now James has this giant rolled up thing of straw, and we're spreading that out to cover this whole area so when it rains, it doesn't just wash all the seeds and dirt down the hill because it's steep. Okay, here it is the next day. This is all the grass seed and straw that we got spread out on this hillside. It's hard to tell, but it is extremely steep. And here it is from the bottom side. I cannot wait until this is grass, because it's going to be a muddy mess until then. And here we are in real time at the end of April. I just wanted to quickly take a video to show how good it looks as the grass is coming in. I love this rollout straw stuff. It just works so nicely. And as you can tell, the grass seed is coming in really well. I moved most of the rocks out of the way that were holding the rolls down once the grass started to come in. But look at this. So much grass. Looks really good. And here's the view from up here.
I like this rollout straw stuff because it's way easier to put down. It's nice and thick. And also, it doesn't blow away like regular straw when you put it down. It stays in place. Okay, that's it. And I will put a link in the description to some of these offline that you can get from Amazon, but we actually got ours from Menards. They were half the price of Lowe's. They were $45 a roll. At Lowe's, they were $90. So that's the place to get them.